Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a situation where your AirPods batteries are just dying extremely quickly. Let's say either they're brand new AirPods or used AirPods, whatever. There's a couple reasons and ways to go ahead and fix this. I will tell you though, the most common way why this may happen is if you actually do have old AirPods, if you've been using your AirPods for a very long time, this is one of the most common, little areas and the biggest problems with these AirPods is that these batteries degrade extremely fast over time. First of all, they already have pretty small batteries, but because there are so many batteries and so many things going on here, you have to charge the battery case to charge these AirPods, and that can cause a lot of problems over time. You're going to have a lot of degradation. And another thing that I've seen over time is people take, less care of their AirPods compared to their iPhones. So if you get an AirPod, sometimes it'll be left in hot conditions, maybe it'll be thrown around here and there, and that can degrade the cells in the battery, and that can cause a lot of problems over time. And it's no secret. I've seen this time and time again in my own life. So that's a very important thing I would recommend looking at is to make sure that your specific battery and your specific iPhone or your AirPod battery isn't degraded. Now, I think on the AirPods Pros and the AirPods Maxes, you can actually see the degradation of your battery. So if you have those, you can go into your battery health and check those out. But the other reason why your AirPods may be dying extremely fast is if your specific AirPods connections aren't connected properly. So you want to make sure your charging case is, being able to be updated all the time and being able to charge all the time. But if your AirPods themselves, these little things right here, if they don't have a secure connection down here, it may actually show you that, maybe the thing won't even be charging properly. So you want to make sure that this portion and this portion are cleaned out thoroughly. You want to go ahead and clean the bottom portion of your specific AirPod out. Also put it on the bottom of these things, make sure they're charged up properly. And that's essentially another huge way why your AirPods may be dying super fast. You can also go ahead and double check that your AirPods are connected to an iPhone or Android or whatever other device that's updated to one of the more recent versions of software. If you're utilizing things like noise reduction and transparency mode and all that stuff, that is also going to take a huge toll on your battery. So that's another pretty big thing you want to keep in mind. If you're having a set of AirPods and they have all these little features turned on, then turning off those things is eventually going to go ahead and save a little bit of that battery life for every single thing you turn off. So those are just a couple of reasons why your AirPods batteries may be dying faster than you may want them to. If you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count, so it means so much if you guys can hit that. Also check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.